Welcome back. Hi. In my previous video, I have discussed about the basic difference between conscious mind and subconscious mind. This video today is in continuation of that video. Make sure you watch that my first video. I have given the link in the description box. Today we are going to discuss how we have been programmed since our childhood, how our paradigms got formed, and it's very crucial for us to know that because whatever personality we imbibe today is because of that, and we can also modify this. So be with me for 10 minutes. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, and also like the video. If you seriously like my work, please comment in the comment section below. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's talk something about electrophysiology. You must have heard that there is an electroencephalogram where we actually measure brain waves. That is, there are four kinds of brain waves. First is beta. Beta is when you are in fully awake state and you are engaged in day-to-day activity. You are fully conscious. That is beta. Below beta there is alpha. Alpha means that you are in conscious state, you are not asleep, but you are having relaxation, you are having meditation, something like that. You are in a calmness. That is alpha. There comes below alpha is theta wave. Now here is the most important part. Theta brainwave states are the waves which actually opens the gate of your subconscious mind, during which any information if you try, you can impress upon your subconscious mind directly. That is during theta state. Theta state occurs when you just get up or when you are about to sleep. These are two important windows when the gate of your subconscious mind actually opens up. Another aspect is when you are intensely involved in any kind of emotion, there comes the role of your theta. That means theta waves are something that are much helpful to impress anything upon your subconscious mind. Now what actually happens is that after conception, during end of second trimester and third trimester, from there to 7 to 8 years of age, there is a conscious programming of your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is just like an open ball. You can put anything inside that, and you are constantly in hypnotic stance. The childlike mental state, or whatever we can tell it, it is something a hypnotic stage. That means here comes the most vital part. Even if you don't know, you have been programmed since then, and that particular span is extremely vital. Why is it so? Because those 7 to 8 years will determine how you will be able to live in outside world when you grow into as a adult. The irony is, even we don't know by whom we have been programmed, and on the other side there is an unconscious behavior of parents or any external circumstances where even they don't know, but they are programming a child. So the people in which house you have any pregnant lady or any small kids, you just have to pay close attention to this. Why is it so? Because you are actually programming those kids, whether you know or whether you don't know. It is something you should keep in mind. Don't create any sort of limiting beliefs inside them. Knowingly or unknowingly, try to give them limitless and abundant mindset, because everything you are speaking, everything you are behaving, everything they observe, the entire knowledge you are feeding in a subconscious mind, and these are something that later will be cultivated as a belief as a whole, and that will be difficult to dislodge after a certain age. That is the power of belief. Here comes the another concept. What are paradigms? Paradigms are a multitude of habits and behaviors and thoughts and action that are ingrained in your personality. Something like a fixed program in computers. It's like a code. It's like program or software to run your machine. Like the paradigms will dictate your actions will dictate your results. Now, just to give a brief idea about paradigms are something fixed pattern of behaviors which you should be changed, but somehow whenever you try, the paradigm comes in between. It's something as if you are a fat person and you know that you should start exercising or you should start jogging, but somehow deep down your paradigm is being lazy, and that laziness always hinders your efforts. So those are actually paradigms, and they play a huge role in our lives because we even don't know by whom those programs are actually been installed in past. It's something, you have Windows 7 in your computer and you want the speed of Windows 10, but that will not come because deep down the process itself is slow, so it hinders your pathway towards your goal. So those are paradigms. In later part of this video, we will discuss how to change these paradigms. This can be changed. These are not some fixed patterns that you can't dislodge. It is something that you can change, but it always requires a massive effort. That's why I have told, if you have any small kid at your place, please don't give any negative or hampering beliefs which later on gets compounded. Please don't do this. Give an abundance mindset. Give them a freedom to think. Don't limit them, because the mind is just like a clay which is getting molded by constant observation, by constant absorption of information. So you should keep a close watch on this. If any small kid, if I am telling you repeatedly, if any small kid at your place, please don't give any limiting belief which you don't want for even yourself, or don't feed them those ideas which you had during your childhood, which are not even serving you. Thanks for watching this video. We have already discussed how we have been programmed till now. Now the good news is we can change those programs that are not serving us, that are a kind of stumbling blocks in our success. We can rewrite our own story. This is not something fixed. We can do this, and in next video we will discuss it in much greater depth. So please be with me in my next video because it will possess some of the very crucial concepts. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye. Have a nice day.